Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss the different forms of energy stored in the system. So actually, total energy, total energy E is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy plus internal energy. So here this is micro energy, and these two are macro energies. So this is macro and this is micro. So the sum of energy is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy plus internal energy. So here we can say if there is no motion of molecules, then V will be neglected. If V is neglected, kinetic energy, change in kinetic energy will also be neglected, because delta Ke is equal to half mv square, means change in kinetic energy. So K is equal to half mv square. So if here V is neglected, means there is no change in the velocity, it means Ke is 0. So here Ke is 0 if the gravity effect, is neglected, it means G is 0 or potential energy P is equal to mgh will be 0, because G is equal to 0. So here we can say this energy E is equal to Ke plus Pe plus U can be written as delta dE is equal to dKe plus dPe potential energy plus du. So here this is neglected, this is also neglected, then we can say dE is equal to du. So change in total energy is equal to change in the internal energy. Okay, so this is the condition when the velocity is 0 and gravity effect is also neglected. So here the first law of thermodynamics can be written as the first law of thermodynamics can be written as del Q is equal to du plus del W. Okay, so this is the first law of thermodynamics. So the total energy is equal to the internal energy if velocity is neglected and gravity effect is neglected. Also we will talk about the internal energy U. So actually internal energy U is the energy associated with the molecules is known as internal energy. So the energy associated with the molecules is called internal energy, and it is an intensive property. Okay, it is it is extensive property. Okay, while specific internal energy is an intensive property. Okay, so this is the extensive property, and specific internal energy is intensive property. Now we will talk about the enthalpy. Okay, so actually enthalpy or energy is a property in thermodynamics. The term U plus PV appears frequently, and convenience, this term is known as enthalpy. Okay, so the summation of internal energy plus flow work PV is called enthalpy H. Also we can say internal energy, specific internal energy plus P specific volume is equal to specific enthalpy. Okay, so this specific enthalpy is intensive property, while H is extensive property. So enthalpy is extensive property and specific enthalpy is intensive property. Thanks for watching this video. All the best.